This is going to demonstrate how to remove the bulb from these push button panels. Take your fingernail on the side and pop the lens cover off. There's a little notch on the side there. Next, this bulb extraction tube that comes with a 10-pack of bulbs, just slide it in and just put a little pressure on it so it grabs the top of the bulb and pull the bulb out. Takes a little bit of pressure, and then to put it back in, put the bulb in sideways, and you take something small and you can feel it pop in. You can feel the bulb pop in there, and then you just take your lens cover, notches on the side, and pop it in, and there you go.